I got the 2005 Briggs Altima. We just gotta flush out the water line. Here go some tests. Let's start by this bag. Air it out. Try that again. Try that again. Go down. Now we're going to try this towel. This is the smallest towel that I have. Let's see how it does on this. Oh, come on. Seriously? Oh my God, come on. Okay, we're gonna try that again. Yo, this thing just clogged on a small washcloth. Oh, no. This thing just clogged on a washcloth. I'm gonna try another rag. Try this one right here. Slightly thinner. Oh my God. All right. Let's try something else. Okay, this is just a grocery bag. It's ripped up in half. I'm gonna see how it does. Water line's almost full. It's okay. Okay, we're gonna try 1.5 ripped up. Since it didn't take a full small bag, we're gonna just do another half size one. All right, this is 1.5. Took it. All right, we're gonna try 15 feet.